The news industry is changing. It's undergoing a transformation like never before, driven by the rapid advancements in technology. It's always been about getting information to people. From the early days of print to the digital age, the core mission remains the same. But now, it's happening faster than ever. News is delivered in real time across multiple devices, reaching audiences instantly. Artificial intelligence is driving this change. It's revolutionizing how news is produced, distributed, and consumed.
AI tools are helping journalists gather, analyze, and deliver news. These tools are becoming indispensable in modern newsrooms. These tools are becoming essential. They streamline operations and enhance the accuracy of reporting. They help us navigate the constant flow of information. In a world flooded with data, AI provides clarity.
Think about the vast amount of data in our world. Every second, countless pieces of information are generated. It's overwhelming for anyone to process. The sheer volume can be paralyzing. That's where AI comes in. It acts as a powerful filter, sorting through the noise. It can sift through massive data sets. AI can process information at a speed and scale that humans simply can't match. It can identify patterns and trends. This capability is invaluable for uncovering hidden insights.
This helps journalists understand complex stories. They can delve deeper into the data to find the truth, and it allows them to deliver more insightful news. With AI, the news becomes not just faster, but smarter and more relevant.
One AI tool making waves is Deepseek. This innovative platform is designed to revolutionize the way we search for information online. Imagine a search engine that understands context, not just keywords. It's like having a smart assistant that knows exactly what you're looking for. That's what Deepseek aims to be. It's designed to grasp the nuances of your queries and deliver precise results.
It goes beyond simple keyword searches. Deepseek uses advanced algorithms to understand the intent behind your search. It analyzes articles, social media posts, and even videos. This means it can pull information from a wide range of sources. It then connects the dots to provide a comprehensive understanding of a topic. This holistic approach ensures you get a well-rounded view.
Let's say you're interested in a breaking news event. Deepseek can help you stay updated with the most relevant information. A simple Google search might give you thousands of results, often leaving you overwhelmed and unsure where to start. Deepseek, however, will curate the most relevant and reliable sources. It filters out the noise and focuses on what truly matters. It will present them in an easily digestible format, making it simple for you to find what you need quickly. This saves you time and helps you cut through the noise. With Deepseek, finding accurate information has never been easier.
In our fast-paced world, news becomes outdated quickly. Staying informed means having access to information as it happens. Deepseek excels in this area. It constantly scans the internet for updates. It can identify breaking news stories in real time.
This real-time capability is crucial for understanding trends. Deepseek can track how stories evolve. It can analyze public sentiment and reactions. This helps journalists and everyone else grasp the full impact of events as they unfold.
Now let's talk about ChatGPT. This AI tool is a master of language. It can generate human-quality text on a wide range of topics. While not directly involved in news gathering, ChatGPT has its own strengths.
ChatGPT can assist journalists in several ways. It can help summarize lengthy reports. It can even draft articles or social media posts. This frees up journalists to focus on more in-depth reporting and analysis.
Both Deepseek and ChatGPT represent the exciting possibilities of AI in the news industry. These advanced tools are revolutionizing how we gather, analyze, and present information. Deepseek dives deep into the ocean of information, sifting through vast amounts of data to uncover hidden patterns and trends that might otherwise go unnoticed, providing us with relevant and real-time insights. This allows journalists to make more informed decisions and report with greater accuracy and speed.
ChatGPT, on the other hand, allows us to harness the power of language and automate certain tasks. It can generate content, summarize articles, and even assist in drafting reports. These tools are not here to replace journalists. Instead, they are powerful allies that augment our capabilities. They assist in research, data analysis, and even in generating new story ideas, making the journalistic process more efficient and comprehensive. They enhance our ability to understand the world around us, providing deeper insights and broader perspectives.
As we move forward, embracing these technologies will be crucial for staying informed and adapting to the fast-paced changes in the media landscape, and making sense of our increasingly complex world. The future of news is here, and it is powered by AI.-Sigging off TechSat. Thank you for watching video. Please like, share, and subscribe.